delicious Indonesian chicken dish, cooked in a rich aromatic sauce, made with coconut milk and a variety of spices. It is strongly associated with the culinary traditions of Minangkabau and West Sumatra, although it is now enjoyed throughout Indonesia. The main ingredients usually include chicken, coconut milk, shallots, garlic, chili, turmeric, ginger, galangal, lemongrass, and other fragrant spices. The result is a savory, creamy, slightly spicy, and richly